Realme X3 Super Zoom offers one of the best cameras on a mid-range smartphone. It has a massive primary sensor which uses the first generation 64 megapixel Samsung GW1 sensor. It is paired with an 8 megapixel wide-angle lens, 8 megapixel periscope lens and the controversial 2 megapixel macro sensor. The phone can record videos in 4K and 1080p resolution in 60 and 30 fps. I tested the Realme X3 Super Zoom camera and here's how it performed. Starting with the highlight feature of the smartphone, the 60x digital zoom. It is a good addition to this price point as you will normally find far field zoom in smartphones priced above 50,000 rupees. Up to 5x, you get the optical zoom which delivers crisp images. Even the 10x zoom shots hold pretty well and are very much usable. After 10x, the pixelation becomes very much evident and images are barely usable. The watercolor effect spoils everything and you cannot post these images on social media platforms. And honestly, you cannot expect much from the digital zoom implementation on a smartphone camera. Let's check out the zoom samples. Let's have a look at the camera viewfinder once again while you zoom in to 60x to capture distant objects. And here's another 60x zoom sample which is just not at all usable. The smartphone captures 4K 60 fps videos with the 64 megapixel primary sensor and the output is crisp. Dynamic range is decent but not the best in class. Colors look a bit washed out. There is no optical image stabilization on the 64 megapixel sensor, so you have to rely on the not so good electronic image stabilization while shooting videos in 4K resolution. Interestingly, the 4K 60 fps videos have a lower bitrate of the 4K 30 fps videos, but there's hardly any change in the video output. You can also capture 64 megapixel high resolution images with good sharpness, details and contrast. You can also zoom into 10x while shooting videos to capture aeroplanes, spaceships and galaxies in our cosmos. The 64 megapixel shots have better details but also looks slightly noisier than the 16 megapixel pixel bin shots. I really like the 1080p 30 fps video output shot on the telephoto lens. The videos show impressive details, good contrast and lively colors. You can also enable HDR for 1080p 30 fps videos if lighting conditions are not favorable. The 1080p 60 fps videos look as crisp as the 4K resolution videos and show good contrast. However, dynamic range could have been slightly better and colors once again look slightly washed out. I found the electronic image stabilization to be working slightly better on the 1080p 60 fps videos than with the 4K high resolution video mode. My favorite feature of the Realme X3 Super Zoom is the 5x optical zoom. It captures such amazing shots, there is no visible loss in details and colors also look vibrant. It allows you to capture 5x zoom shots without moving closer to the subject. Amazing job Realme, I must say. You can shoot 1080p time-lapse videos which look really good. The wide-angle lens does not support time-lapse mode. As there's no dedicated depth sensor on the Realme X3 Super Zoom, the phone uses the 64 megapixel main sensor and software algorithms to capture portraits. The results are good, the bokeh looks natural and the colors also look quite realistic. Or this is how an Indian loading truck looks in slow motion. Stay away from these dumpers while driving because इनको हम यमराज बोलते हैं. The most insignificant lens in the Super Zoom's camera setup is a 2 megapixel macro sensor. A dedicated depth sensor would have been a better choice, but marketing hype भी तो करनी है ना माधव जी. The 8 megapixel wide angle shots look good. The colors are vibrant and dynamic range is even better than what I got to see with a 64 megapixel primary sensor. Last but not the least, the Realme X3 Super Zoom has some amazing night camera modes for low light photography. You get the basic night mode, ultra night skip when light is really low, tripod mode which captures 50 seconds long exposure shots, a new starry mode that is the most interesting addition, and for the first time a manual mode for night photography. A pretty feature-rich night camera setup we have got here. The results are promising and I cannot wait to test the starry mode to capture the Milky Way, so stay tuned on Yantra Gyan for more videos on Realme X3 Super Zoom. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for notifications because you will not be disappointed.